honey and bananas for 7 days. This will happen to your body. You will not be able to feel that your body is improving. First, eating honey and bananas will supply our body with a tremendous amount of health-promoting antioxidants. In fact, this combination is an antioxidant powerhouse. Studies have shown that eating raw honey consistently can help. To rise the levels of antioxidants in our body. They are loaded with powerful unpointed antioxidants known as polyphenols, which can reduce the risk of the number of different health elements. Raw honey also contains a health-promoting antioxidant known as phenacemprine, a power flavonoid. Bananas also contain powerful dietary antioxidants. They are loaded with catechins, which can help with elimination of free radicals in the body. It prevents damage caused by them and diseases. This mixture can also support heart health and promote the overall health of our heart in a number of different ways. Honey has many different benefits for our heart. Raw honey can help to lower blood pressure due to the amazing antioxidants previously mentioned. Studies have also found that it can help improve cholesterol levels. By reducing post-total cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol, which also increasing good HDL cholesterol by a significant amount. If that wasn't enough, honey can also help to lower triglycerides in the body and reduce plaque buildup in the arteries. Bananas are also a great choice for supporting heart health. They are an amazing source of the mineral potassium, which is essential for heart health. Bananas can also help control blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease, and contain heart health magnesium. This combination is also a great source of a natural energy and can be consumed for a natural energy boost. This is because raw honey contains natural sugars, many different minerals, vitamins, and nutrients, as well as water. When consumed, it is easily absorbed energy supply in the form of liver glycogen. This makes it especially beneficial before or after workouts or as a midday energy boost. Bananas are also great for instant energy. They contain a good amount of carbohydrates and important vitamin and minerals, especially vitamin B6. The potassium in bananas may also be able to help fuel you during workouts and prevent muscle cramps. Lastly, when consumed in moderation, eating honey and bananas can help with proper weight management and even weight loss. Studies have found that raw honey to be beneficial for weight loss since it can help to manage blood sugar level as well as lower serum triglycerides. Also, honey can help to suppress appetite and prevent sugar craving during the day. Bananas actually have weight loss promoting abilities as well. They are incredibly nutritious and can help you to feel more full. This is due to their good levels of fiber and resistant starch, which also helps to reduce appetite.